Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder how those super smart trading bots actually make decisions? Or more importantly, how we can trust them? That's the million-dollar question, and it's what this project DIKWP QuantLedger OS is trying to crack open. So why should you care about this QuantLedger thing? Because in the wild world of quantitative trading, risks aren't just about your portfolio tanking. They lurk in the data you feed the AI, the assumptions baked into its backtesting, how it interprets signals, the rules you impose, and even how you deploy it. This project isn't just a fancy storage locker for code, it's a semantic risk ledger. Think of it as a public diary, meticulously recording the why behind the what. It's designed to be an open window into the research, governance, and compliance side of algorithmic trading, making sure we don't just chase profits blindly but understand and manage the risks involved. It's about turning black boxes into something we can actually look inside and say, aha, I get it. Let's talk specifics. Where do these sneaky risks hide? Everywhere. Your data source might be dodgy. Your backtest might have unrealistic assumptions, like assuming you can trade infinitely fast. The way you interpret an indicator could be subtly biased. Transaction costs or slippage might be ignored. And the deployment process itself, full of potential pitfalls. This ledger tackles all this by creating a clear semantic link between the trading strategy, the raw data it uses, the metrics it tracks, the risk thresholds it respects, and crucially, the audit records that prove it followed the rules. It's about moving beyond just chasing the P&L and focusing on building systems that are explainable, traceable, and ultimately responsible. Now, how does this connect to the bigger picture? Enter the DIKWP model: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. Just having data doesn't mean you have reliable information. Information doesn't automatically become actionable knowledge, and neither guarantees wise decisions or aligned intent without structure. This project embodies this chain. It insists that for an AI system, especially in high-stakes trading, to be truly transparent and auditable, you need to explicitly connect the dots: the semantic structure of the data, the underlying knowledge base, the defined goal constraints, the behavioral evidence of its actions, and the clear boundaries of responsibility. It's about ensuring the AI doesn't just act, but acts intelligently and justifiably within a well-understood framework. And here's the kicker: because it's open source on GitHub, this isn't just theoretical fluff. That repository link is a living document, constantly updated. You can check the name, the intro, the last update date, and see the actual deliverables, the code, the documentation, the test results. This makes it incredibly powerful for academic reports, project proposals, or even just explaining your work to collaborators. It transforms vague claims like "I'm working on AI governance" into concrete, verifiable statements like "here's where you can see the progress and the proof." It's about accountability and transparency right there in the open. So wrapping up, this DIKWP QuantLedger OS isn't just one project, it's a vital node in a larger ecosystem of next-generation AI research. It connects directly to ideas like white box evaluation, agent auditing, and semantic firewalls. The big takeaway? The future of AI isn't just about getting smarter outputs, it's equally about rigorous processes, solid evidence, clear purpose, and defined responsibility. And this open repository, with its focus on audit trails, is a prime example of how we get there.